Well, good morning. Brenda here again, getting ready to go to Three Island Crossing State Park here in Idaho. John's filling up the water tank as we speak. Apparently the water has been shut off there due to the cold temperatures. So can't wait to take you guys along and hopefully show you all about the park and what it has to offer. Here we are filling up the water tank. And of course, you go to use that and the meter, the battery is out. So we had to replace the battery this morning. What are you doing?
Just gonna secure the bike down.
So we put my scooter in
just to make sure
the cargo this time, so.
It's tightened down, but I like to put the strap, the ratchet strap, just to, make sure it's gonna stay secure.
Mm-hmm. So this is what it looks like when we're getting ready. This is why we love the Revolution. I think it's let's see, what is it called? Called Revolution Uprising Glow Steps, because you can kind of make them almost like a ladder, which is nice. This is the RV when it's closed up, which is, I mean, let's be honest, it's really nice because you have lots of room. So when we stop at rest areas and things, you can actually do it. There's how the TV is placed, and coming up here, I haven't closed up the slides yet, but we do take the TV off just because I don't want it bouncing around and falling off. I don't know if I told you guys either, but I have a Betty's in here. Absolutely love it. Makes making the bed a breeze in an RV. So that's kind of where we're at this morning. Just kind of trying to get everything all ready and ready to go. So I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. I was talking about how I love Betty's. Well, Betty's isn't just for your RV. I have Betty's in my bedroom. This was a lifesaver when I had rotator cuff surgery, because all I had to do was just use one arm and zip. So definitely makes your life a lot easier. What are you doing?
Load up the firewood for the 20th time.
Do you think we'll actually use it this time? I think we've loaded it, like 4 times?
At least. I've got some wood. I got some old 2x4s from the shed I built. So I thought I'd go ahead and burn it. But every time something comes up, for a campfire, it's like, I'll just take it back, But I hope this time we can actually use it. I figure it's good for one fire. If we get around to doing it.
Fingers crossed.
No, because I'm getting sick and tired of loading and offloading. And I never leave firewood. It's a commodity. I'm not going to leave it at the campsite. If somebody wants to leave me firewood, I'll take it. And as a matter of fact, some of this I got from another campsite guy let me have. So, yeah, that's how I roll, people.
Getting ready. Coming in pretty crooked.
It's lined up now, though.
Do you need to shut the tailgate?
We'll try. So the truck is this way, and the trailer's that way, so the back end looks fairly like it's even. Give her a go. Try her out.
No. that was not good. You just
Get it?
crunched the trailer.
Get it?
Yes, it did. And you're not getting that up. Oh.
Barely. Okay. Let's see.
Act 2. The green?
No, it's not. See, it's locked in place there.
Yeah.
So.
Don't go out too much. Put the brake on.
Might be too high, Shel.
Yeah, I think it is. That's,
Try that.
that should be good, right?
Yeah, try. Ow.
The lever went forward, that's what it means, right?
Yeah, we're green now.
Okay.
Okay, now I need my step.
This area right here is right outside of, well, actually, I think it's kind of like in between Nampa and Meridian, and we heard that they're going to build a Buc-ee's here somewhere, maybe probably right off that.
It's gonna be over.
It's going to be off the 10 mile,
Yeah.
off the 10 mile road or whatever. So yeah, so Buc-ee's is coming to Idaho, people.
And of course, we love our Buc-ee's.
Yeah.
What do you say?
So this is the area. I'll see if I can zoom in. We have a really
Shit.
Oh no! Something just hit the
Nah,
side
it
of our
was
car.
a bunch of styrofoam.
Hopefully it
Yeah.
didn't scratch it. But anyway, there's a Shields out here, and that's going to be where the Buc-ee's is, off of here somewhere. And so that'll be, I guess it's going to be a pretty big thing. So we're coming to an area that is outside of Boise. And apparently, you can kind of see just real quick where the cranes are. You might be able to get a look at the bigger building back there. And that is actually going to be a Micron factory where they build microchips. And it's like a $15 billion project that they're building. It's going to be massive. It's supposed to bring 30,000 jobs, high-paying jobs to the Boise area.
Yeah, that's phase one. It's supposed to be like a total of 4 phases, so it's going to be like, all this is going to be completely
Yeah, it's hard
all
to see.
Micron.
So driving, just got out of Boise, the downtown Boise area. That up there, the mountain range up there is, it's kind of hard to see today because it's kind of very cloudy, but the Bogus Basin Ski Resort is up there. Doesn't look like they've got too much snow. And then there, of course, is the Boise.
City.
And then there's the Boise Airport that we're passing. So we are actually going to stop this rest area and see if there's any damage to the truck from whatever that was that hit us. He thought it looked like a styrofoam. So what's the police out here hanging out?
The police.
The police are out here. I know it's dusty now from the rain that we just had. yet.
I don't see nothing on the truck.
So yeah, it's all just dust. I think we lucked out. How's that?
Not hot.
That's good. No springs hanging out anywhere?
Can't see any. I don't think it hit the trailer.
Yeah, it didn't look like it hit the trailer.
Okay.
I don't have. So you can hear.
I think we're okay.
We're okay.
Yeah.
Everything looks all right. Okay. Back on the road. We're gonna check this feature of hands-free.
It's not, no, it doesn't work.
It doesn't work?
No, it doesn't work because
You're in Toy Hall.
I'm in Toy Hall.
Yeah.
So there's some individuals who bought a truck, you know, with the feature, and thought, well, you know, driving down the highway with my trailer, I can go kind of hands-free in a way. Well, the feature doesn't work when you're in tow haul. Okay, it shuts off. You can still do cruise control, but that's about it.
Okay. We good. This one actually has 50 amp, which is nice.
Okay.
A lot of the other ones over here only are 30 amp, so. We're nice and level, so that's one good thing. It seems like the site's not too unlevel. That is showers, and I think those are still on. The water at the sites, like I said before, are turned off because of the weather, but you can take a shower over there. Everyone, we're gonna check out. He's gonna go in there. He's going in the men's here.
Closed for the season, the showers.
Does it say?
Yes.
Ah.
So it's a good thing we got our tank full of water. Want to take a shower?
See, that's why sometimes you cannot trust people. She's so excited.
She's a hound puppy. Look at her.
I read on the reviews that there was deer that come in here, so maybe that's why she's being a hound and going crazy.
I'm telling you, I need to hire her out to a prison to track down escaped convicts.